Proshunya, the zero-centric trading revolution, where precision begins at zero. The birth of Proshunya. Every paradigm-shifting idea begins with a moment of discontent, a recognition that the existing tools, models, and beliefs no longer serve the complexity of the world they aim to explain. Proshunya was born from such a moment. The problem with conventional trading. Modern trading is saturated with information. Technical indicators flood charts with signals, each offering a different interpretation of price action. Fundamental analysis demands constant monitoring of earnings reports, macroeconomic data, geopolitical events, and central bank policies. Sentiment analysis attempts to quantify emotion, often amplifying her behavior and market noise. Yet, despite this arsenal of tools, traders often find themselves overwhelmed, inconsistent, and reactive. The more data they consume, the less clarity they possess. The market becomes a battlefield of conflicting signals, where intuition is drowned out by complexity. More than 90% retail traders lose. Proshunya is a tool to reverse this with over 95% winners. A search for simplicity. The creators of Proshunya began to question the very foundations of trading logic. What if the market could be understood not through layers of abstraction, but through a single, universal reference point? What if directional bias could be determined without charts, without indicators, without emotion? Leading to insight, every trade begins with an entry price. What if that price could be evaluated against a dynamic zero, an equilibrium value that reflects the true balance of the market? Thus, the concept of Proshunya was born. Proshunya is influenced by zero, which is Shunya in Indian maths, and the number 2520, discovered by self-taught genius Srinivas Ramanujan. The combination of 2520 with Greek, Japanese, and Indian math has resulted in the birth of Proshunya. Proshunya is not just a methodology, it is a philosophy of trading. It offers clarity in decision-making, consistency across market conditions, scalability for institutional and retail use, adaptability for AI-driven systems. By returning to simplicity and power of zero, Proshunya redefines what it means to trade with confidence. It invites traders to move beyond noise, beyond emotion, and beyond convention, to a place of pure logic rooted in timeless wisdom and modern innovation. Welcome to Proshunya, where zero is not nothing, it's everything. Proshunya consists of 12 zones. Each zone has a corresponding score and its zero valuation value. The combination of zone, its score, and zero valuation value decides a trade entry or exit for stocks, forex, crypto, and futures trading. In this screen, note how the zone scores and zone evaluation values changes in 7 minutes. Green values buy and red values are for sell. More explanation with Proshunya GPT example. Introducing Proshunya GPT.
Evaluate Aussie dollar trade entry.
Analyzing. Studying the 12 Proshunya zones for Australian dollar to US dollar cent. The displayed data shows the respective zone score analysis. The coming week starting September 28th at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, look out for short/sell entry close to 0.6590 K sell value around middle of the week because the zone L is buy with a score 5 and ZV much lower from last traded value. Remember, the trend is built from lower to higher zone, while the trade entry is done based on higher to lower zone scores. Here the zone L is at 5, the average zone reversal score. All the other 11 zones have a sell ZV, but zone J is the anomaly with PV equals 7, indicated by it can happen soon, any day. In zone J for a swing trade. If zone J score equals 0 with a buy value, buy close to its ZV for a quick swing trade. Proshunya caters to everyone with few minutes to spare per month or day. Judge yourself on Proshunya's advantage. Email us for more news or events and subscribe us on YouTube channel.